girls, this is 5F, expanding brackets using multiplication in algebra. So there's this thing in algebra called the distributive law, and here's what it says. It says if I have, I'm going to do it with numbers first, and then we'll do it with letters. The distributive law says that if I have a number outside a set of brackets where I'm adding other numbers, okay, I've been told to do brackets first. And so I know that that's 2 times, it means times right there, 16. And 2 times 16 is 32. Okay? The distributive law says you could have done this. It said you could distribute the 2 to both numbers before you add. So you could do 2 times 5 is 10, and 2 times 11 is 22, and you could add the 10 and the 22 and get 32. I think sometimes that might be easier than this way. So here's the actual law. It uses all letters. So it goes A bracket B plus C. Remember, A and B and C are all just numbers. We just don't know what the numbers are. And it says this is the same as A times B plus sign A times C. Okay, so let's do a couple examples down here where we have some algebra. So A says 5 bracket x plus 3. So that's 5x, 5 times x. I'm always multiplying up here. These are multiply, 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 okay? And then 5 times 3. And I keep whatever sign is there, I keep it there, that's plus or a minus sign. Okay, let's do B. It says 8 bracket x minus 4. So I do 8 times A, 8a, minus sign, comes down, 8 times 4. Done. Okay, C says 3, give it a go if you want, pause, and give it a go. Equals 3a plus 6b, remember 3 times 2b is 6b. And D is even harder. 5a bracket 3p minus 7q. Now let's see. 5 times 3. And then I collect the terms here, or I collect the letters. Same sign, minus, whatever's there is there. 5 times 7. Great. Okay, now let's just do one where we visualize the distributive law. Ages ago in class, when we had to do something like 75 times by 32, I kind of showed you a way to do that by going, okay, well, this is, I should do it like this. It's a bad picture for that, so I'm going to do it right here. We went like this. We said this is 70, and this is 5, and this is 30, and this is 2. Okay, 75 and 32. And we said, okay, 7 times 3 is 21, and I have 2 zeros to put on. And 5 times 30 is 5 times 3, and 1 0 to put on. 70 times 2 is 140, and 5 times 2 is 10. And then we added all those numbers up. We were doing the distributive property. And when we added the numbers up, let's see, what did we get? We got 2240, 2390, 2400. Okay? Now, in algebra, it looks like this. They might say, okay, well, this is x, and this is 5, and this is y, and this is 10. Wow. And I'm multiplying. So I go, the area of this square is x times y, and this square, the area is 10 times x. And this square, the area is 5 times y, and this square, the area is 50. So if I said, you know, these two things, x plus 5 times y plus 10, that's a really hard year 9 question, but I could do it because I know it's xy plus 10x plus 5y plus 50. Okay? There's some easier ones in your book to do, but I just thought, I reckon you could think that way already. Okay. Here's our problems. 5F, it's 3B, I guess that's a little b, sorry, just 3B, 5AC, those are the easy ones of these. 6, 7, and 8 are kind of long. You can do every second one, 9, 11, and 14. Okay.